Hello everyone, what's up TGL Nation? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your save data and progress from one version of Real Racing 3 to another version of Real Racing 3. This of course will be using the vphoneos app with the Real Racing 3 files produced and provided by Project Armageddon, the preservation effort. Now you will see here that there are two instances available. The one you see here is version 2.3, and this version is version 2.6. Now, for this example, I want to move my progress from this version over to this version. Now, just to show you that these are two completely different versions of the game, and they have two completely different amounts of progress, we're going to boot up the early version real quick, just Okay, so as you can see, I've just started. I've got a customized car with a custom paint scheme and rims and everything, and I've completed one event, the Suzuka Cup race, and you can see I have 6 gold, 2,470 R dollars, and all that stuff. I want to move this progress over to 2.6. And now booting up the version 2.6, you can see that I've got a whole bunch of cars, tons of money, tons of gold. So I want to get rid of this progress and replace it with the other progress from that older version of the game. Let's open up the instance that has the files you want to keep. So on the main home screen here of the emulator, so on the main wallpaper page here, you'll see down there at the bottom right, down at the bottom right of the screen, you see an import and export feature. Go ahead and tap that, and we want to export the files. We want to take the save files out of this version. So let's select export, SD card, Android, data, com.ea.games.r3, that's the Real Racing 3 file. And then this file right here, the doc folder, that contains all your save files and progress. So we're just going to select the whole folder and export it. Now before I do, down right at the bottom of the screen, target directory, that's where this file is going to go on my actual real device. So I will hit export. It's a small file, it's a small folder, it'll be done immediately. Okay, so it's done, it's moved it out. And so now we've used the export feature. Now we're going to go to the newer version and use the import feature. Again, on the home screen, same app, same thing. Go to import and export. This time select import, file, select a directory. Where do you want us to look? And we have to go to where it was, which in this case is documents, vphoneos export. Use this folder. Allow access, and there's the doc folder right there. So we'll select it again, hit import this time, okay, so now we've imported our save file into the game, but we need to move it and replace all that other stuff. So on here, you're going to swipe up, Z Achiever, tap that, then go to documents. And you see the G save there, we don't need that. We want the doc folder right here. So open that up, and you can see there's just a whole bunch of files here. We're going to select all, press and hold, so that we get the option to copy them. Back, same as progress as before, Android, data. There you see the EA Games logo, doc, and then the paste button. Boom. Apply to all files, replace. We want to replace all that stuff. So replace, done, clear all, and let's boot up the game and see if our progress has transferred from version 2.3 to version 2.6. Okay, we didn't get any errors, that's good. Okay, and see, now we're getting the what's new in this update page. That means it's kind of treating you as you were a player from the previous update and you've updated to this version. There, continue, and as you can see, here comes the custom car. Open it up, and there's our money and our gold, just as before. Now, in this case, our progress career-wise didn't transfer over because they reorganized the menu. So now we have to do the tutorial again. That's interesting. But the car has been customized, and it's got the paint scheme in the wheels and probably the upgrades as well. So there you go. That is how to transfer your save progress from one version of Real Racing 3 to another version of Real Racing 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope everything made sense. If that was the case, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And until then, keep on gaming, everybody.